kind of out of it because we both work today. But we got a late night unboxing. I've been waiting to do this one with Gil. What this is here, this is... I know what it is already, but I'm going to do this with you. This is going to be... It's a music-related item, and I never get to unbox music stuff. This channel is going to slowly be turned into something more doing with music and things. The only thing is I don't listen to I don't listen to a bunch of new music, so... But anyway, This is something I have been waiting to get for... Well, I actually haven't been waiting to get it. The only reason I haven't been waiting to get it, I already have it. Those of you that know Cealane and I know that we are... Okay, I didn't get the record, but I did get something. I wasn't sure because it says a mailer. So it's a poster is what it is. That's okay.
That's the lithograph.
This is a lithograph of the new 311 album, Voyager.
It's pretty.
311. Got all 5 of them there. Voyager.
It's funny, I read a post on that 311 Familia group and somebody said that it was a coincidence, or maybe it wasn't a coincidence, that the album was announced about the same time that they did that Everybody Let's Storm Area 51 post that went viral. I'm like...
So, I don't even know any of this crap that's going on with why are they trying to push this Area 51 stuff.
Apparently somebody posted it as a joke, and then, a bunch of people took it seriously, hundreds of thousands of people took it seriously and actually started, a petition, a sign-up. Who's in? And then now all the celebrities are jumping on board with it because it's funny, because it's trending and viral.
So that's funny and trending, but the kind of mood that I'm in and the kind of mood that I'm in...
Anybody got time for that?
Yeah, not everybody got time for that. So somebody can post some stupid bullshit like that and everybody gets on it, but we can't put out something that means something hey, if I put up a post that says, hey, don't be a dick to, people in customer service, I bet that don't go viral. People aren't going to go, you know what, let's start a movement. Let's go out and not be dicks to people. No, people are, making a point to be a dick still and things like that. My guests at my job are, for the most part, today everybody was absolute sweetheart. But...
It's because that Area 51 stuff is, silly and whimsical, and people can partake in it and, whatever, because it's fun. And they don't want to have anything to do with anything serious or...
You don't have to be serious to be nice to people.
True.
But anyway, so that was the lithograph. It's cool. They didn't have any autographed ones left, and I really do love 311. This is one of my all-time favorite bands right now. They've been around for 20 years, but this lithograph, it's cool, but I wish it's literally a poster. That's what it is. It's a thick poster. You can call it lithograph and charge more for it. But you know what? I better be nice, because 311 are nice to us.
Positivity.
Yeah, they're positivity. And Tim was cool to us. And see, that's what 311 does. That they're cool to their fans. People who have known me forever knew me as, this diehard Chili Pepper fan. And the Chili Peppers haven't done, shit for their fans in, decades. If you're not from, Hollywood area or Venice or, super trendy down there, then the Chili Peppers, if you're not artsy fartsy, then the Chili Peppers don't do anything. They don't even come to the Central Coast anymore. We met Nick Hexum 2 years ago, and we were like, hey, you guys should come back to the Central Coast. What are they doing? They're coming back to the Central Coast. So, that's what a good band does. They remember that crap. So, Anyway, here's the actual CD. I have already heard it, and this album has grown on me very quickly. Everybody has these different like takes on the whole. There's 311 is really good at making like summer jam albums. This whole CD is full of just, if it's sunny outside, this is like the steroids for the sun. It makes it that much more like, wow, like if you think the sun is shining, put on Voyager. There's like a controversy with the song Crossfire here. You can barely see it. The song Crossfire, they pretty much almost copy and pasted how this song by Noise Storm was called Heist, but they didn't. It was unintentional, and Nick Hexum's not full of shit. Like they didn't, but it doesn't matter because now Noise Storm has that many more fans because of the song, so that worked out really well.
Maybe they planned it ahead of time.
They say somebody shot a CD their way and were like, hey, check this out, and like then they just checked it out and didn't realize. You want to hold this while I open it because
Yes.
I'm sitting here fiddling with it and I can't try to take the plastics off. I should start having you film me more so I can, because I'm all like, I don't want to use any sharp objects or anything to. This CD it's gonna go into my CD player, and it's so someone leaked the album. Look at me, I already messed up the case opening it. I did. Look at that. Oh, Wongo.
How dare you?
Whatever, it's my CD. I don't care. Look at my greasy ass fingerprints all over it already. Alright, so we're gonna unpackage the CD. Okay, like right off the bat, this is a really nice throwback to like how Blue was, their album that had all mixed up and down. That album had like the alien head on it and stuff, but the way it looks like it, their logo is one of the all-time, just looks so dope. Scott Ralston produced this CD. He's the one who did Mosaic. He's done a few of their other albums. Mosaic was really good. When this first got leaked, everybody online was like, well, I don't know. It's like, Mosaic was a hard-ass album to follow up. It had just so many killer tracks on it. Everything on there was damn
Dope.
good. Yeah, like, it got the album, not only did it come out strong with something real catchy, but it kept going and going. But after Crossfire, they had Don't Worry is a really good, like, kind of dub style, like, every morning since this album has come out, I've woke up with a song off this album stuck in my head. Like this morning I had Crossfire stuck in my head. The day before, the last 2 days before that I had Don't Worry stuck in my head. Like, got a real nice gloss. They use like real high quality. There's the band. I don't know what you can and can't see on there because of the. We don't have all the lights on because it's hot in here and.
Yeah.
Now I can do it. So let's see. And here, this is the inside leaflet. There's Pennant. There's the Hex. Mitt. And there's Chad and Essay. But anyway, if you know 311 already, I don't need to name them all for you because you know them. But this is a really, really good album. Everybody who talks about, I will say that to them. Use this as a like, oh, well, it doesn't sound like their old stuff, but one thing 311 does, it's some kind of shit they give people give Metallica. Oh, it doesn't sound like their old stuff. Like, these bands, they play their old stuff. So, go see them live, like, listen to the old albums. If you want to hear their old stuff, throw it on, like, put it on. It doesn't sound like, put Grassroots on then if you want to hear old 311. Because this new album, it like
They're allowed to evolve.
yeah, they're allowed to, because 311 does a really good job of changing with the times. Like this song, Dodging Raindrops, has a really, I've been saying this since Mosaic 2 years ago. They've done a couple songs that slightly have that real worldy feel of something like Imagine Dragons would do. But 311, the last few albums, has been able to be like, you know
Real
what?
Indie.
Yeah, they're like, we know what you like, and we can do it, and we can do it better. So they do a good job of taking other styles and turning it into their own, because they have their own voice. They sound like themselves, but then they also sound like, ooh, I see what you're going for, but it's their way of doing it. They're like a restaurant that, like, here's how we're gonna cook it. Like, we know where this recipe came from, but here's what happens when we cook it. They got like the song "Good Feeling" on there. It's called "Good Feeling." It's got like that kind of reggaetonish kind of like vibe to it. And at first, that song grew on me. At first, I was like, no. But just like Mosaic, it grew on. Now I listen to Voyager like every day, all kinds. Like, it's on repeat in my car. You should check it out. They did a really good job of releasing the songs one by one for everybody. They knew people were going to leak it, but we were going to buy it anyway. So.
And the cover art's in that, like, newer style of everything. Geometric, like, all those tattoo review videos that we've been watching. They're like, oh, it's very, like, trendy, you know, geometric shapes and all that stuff. And there's no denying that's, like, the inspiration for that.
It's like retro spacey. Like, so this is the back page of the book, and that's the back of the CD. Like, the way that it's dope. I can't wait to see them in Avila Beach in like 3 weeks. That's gonna be so dope. I could talk about this album a whole lot more, but I'm not going to, because you should go listen to it. Go listen to this album. Let me know what you think. Sorry, I'm not more cognitive as I speak, because it's been an exhausting day for both of us.
Yeah,
but
it's after midnight, and it's been a long day.
Yeah, but I've been waiting to open this because I got mailed it yesterday, or 2 days ago when I had Vlad. And I didn't want to do this unboxing with Vlad, because he doesn't understand why I like 311. Because he's into, like, music that doesn't portray positivity. And as he gets older, he'll understand that it helps to have a band that
a go-to.
Like, I just need something that makes me feel good without feeling guilty about it, and that's what 311 does. So, go check out Voyager. Order their stuff. Keep supporting this band, because they're really good to their fans. They do have a great sound. And everybody who ever wants to talk shit, like, I'm like, well, what are you listening to that you're saying 311 sucks? Like, I don't even want to know what you're listening to that you think 311 sucks. Because 311 fans listen to everything else. Like, my buddy Pete, we love 311. We talk about 311 all the time. 311 all the time. And then go right into talking about, like, Metallica and talking about, like, 311 fans listen to, like, everything. They're one of those diverse groups of people. Their fan base doesn't talk shit the way that a lot of people do. Like, Vlad and I are going to see Slipknot, and their fans assaulted the shit out of them for different things. Like, 311 has the smallest percentage of fans that talk shit. And even if they talk shit, they pull it back. They go, okay, I have, like, hear me out. But they appreciate it.
And even recently, the only thing that I've seen anybody have anything to say about is the Crossfire controversy. And they're not even really hating on the whole situation. They're just like, well, you have to acknowledge that this is how it happened, it came to be, and all that.
That it
like,
sounds.
I still love the band.
Yeah, that it sounds like Noise Storm's heist, which is totally cool. Noise Storm, they've come to terms with each other. Like, they're on speaking terms, the two between Nick Hexum and Noise Storm. So, anyway. Hit me up if you want to talk about 311 more. So, thank you guys for tuning in. We're exhausted. We got to turn the fans back on because it's hot AF in this room.
Even the dog's on the ground now because it's cooler. He's over it. he's over it, and the a-hole neighbors keep lighting off fireworks and scaring him. And he's going to have a nervous breakdown, my poor baby.
Seriously, 4th of July is not a month. It's a day. So...
yeah. People, I know you spend a lot of money on those illegal fireworks, but set all them bitches off on the 4th. They don't need to go off for 2 weeks before and 2 weeks after the holiday. It's getting ridiculous. If you know anybody that does this, please throat punch them for me, because it's pissing me off. Okay, that's all I have to say.
Tell them if they want something explosive. Tell them to listen to, like, Crossfire and then go into, like, or like, tell them to go to Stainless and just let the song play all day, every day. And they'll hear some explosive-ass guitar and all that. Yeah. So, thank you. Till next time. Deuces and trays. Keep it easy, my Pacos. Positivity and unity.
Yes. And unity.
Unity.
Bye.